Y'all, can I tell you, I literally was screaming when I seen that NYX commented on my post because, like, NYX, what? I've been wearing NYX since high school, and that was 11 years ago. NYX, they are the GOATs, okay? So, you know what that means. I'm going to give you all a full NYX face. I already started my brows because my brows, sometimes they don't be brown, but let's get into it. First, I'm going to go in with my Conceal Correct and Contour palette, and I'm going to just use a little bit of this red color and put it under my eyes and correct my dark spots, okay? So I literally just, y'all see where I did under my eyes, here, and then I'm going to just take it around my mouth a little bit and do that. I just like to do it lightly so it doesn't look orange or too red. It's just like I already look like a different person, basically. With my Pro foundation palette, and I'm gonna just like start blending some colors together, mixing some foundation for me. Now y'all, I'm literally so against using my hand for anything that I'm doing for myself because it's just a mess, but I have to do what I have to do right now. Oh, and before I actually apply my foundation, I'm going to put this Born to Glow bronzer on so that I just have this really nice, fresh glow on my face because even though the weather is crazy, it's actually really nice and sunny today. So, okay, I know what y'all are thinking, girl, you look botched. No, baby, you got to trust the process. Just trust it. Watch what I do. And y'all, when I say I be knowing what colors to use, like I know how to match like I literally was just like boop boop bam, hello, okay, all right. And because I'm cooler, because obviously because of the season, I use more of this lighter color here and just a smidge of this darker color, so just so y'all know. And now I'm not going to cut this part out because I want y'all to see that I'm really in that girl with matching. Ooh, yep. See, okay, now y'all see. All right, I'll be back. No, I look so pretty in bronze, like down on my neck. I freaking. Oh, okay. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with this lighter concealer above my eyes and this lighter concealer under my eyes. Oh, yeah. Love it. Love it. I mean, like, what in the world? I could just actually go out like this. Like, thank you, NYX. Thank you. Hello? And I just want to remind you, the beauty filter is not on, okay? This for up top and this for down below. I literally look fresh. I'm telling y'all, y'all have to put the Born to Glow on underneath your foundation. And you got to put enough so you really get that. Like, maybe it's giving goddess, okay? And then I literally just put this right here. So I'm going to just do a little highlight and blend that out and bam, be right back. Now, I'm just put a little bit of lip oil on. This is the pink one. Put a little bit of lip oil on just so, you know, I don't look crazy. Oh, what the heck? Okay, now for my eyes, I'm going to be using the NYX Ultra Pearl Manta. And I'm going to use the Ultimate Natural color. So just bear with me for a second. Okay, now, so for this is a pearl, like it's literally like powder. So I'm going to use the NYX 36 brush. This is basically like a rubber spoolie. It really helps to grab the powder, okay? Y'all see how I have that dipped in there? Watch it. Watch it. Oh! Oh my gosh. And now I'm going to use my NYX blending brush to just blend it all over my eyelid. And I'm blending it all over my eye, okay? Actually, I think I'm just going to use this for my brow bone. Yeah, like it on the brow bone. But I think for my entire eyelid, like what I'm going to do, since I'm wearing some pretty gold colors, I think I'm just going to mix these two colors. Yeah, I'm going to mix these two colors and just pack it. Yeah, I freaking love this. It's coming together. Like, seriously. And then can y'all see that, like, brow bone beaming? Okay, what? Okay, now I just kind of want to get my eyeliner out of the way. I'm going to use Sandstorm on my waterline, so yeah. See the difference? And now I'm just going to take this brown color right here to warm up my crease. It gets a little bit, but still have to trust the process. Now I'm going to go with this darker color, and I'm going to mix this and this pretty burgundy color together. And we're really gonna do it in the crease, okay? Gorgeous. And I don't like to go around. I like to take the shadow upward so that my eyes aren't looking like droopy or whatever. And then I'm going to take this same burgundy color and just put it right underneath my eye, my waterline. Ooh, wow. And then I'm just literally adding with that same color under my waterline. I'm just going to add it on top by itself without the brown. I think it's lovely. Oh my gosh. I'm literally going to put this on my YouTube. I swear. I'm putting this on my YouTube. And because I just want to add this pretty, like, this is a really matte, it's a pretty matte look, but I like a little bit of shimmer. As you can see, you know, I like my brow bone to be shimmery. I'm going to add this Shimmer Down, NYX Shimmer Down color. And this color is in mauve pink rose violet. So and yes, I'm using the same brush for everything because it works, okay? So you see this is a pigment too, so I literally just kind of like go in, and then what I would do is just and like with this type of stuff, you have to be gentle. Like, what the heck? It's like, no. All right, let me finish. Now, this is my favorite thing. I swear this is probably everybody's favorite thing. This is the infamous and iconic Epic ink liner, and it's in black. I love that. So I'm just about to go in and just kind of, I'll show y'all a little bit how, you know, it's not too hard. You know, just make a little line there and boom. I like my wing a little dramatic, you know. I like it a little dramatic. And then I go, whoop. And then what I would do is just clean it up. And now I have to achieve this on the other side. I will be back. So of course, you know, it just always ends up like that. But this will do. This will do. Just doing my mascara, and then I'll do my lashes too. I swear I don't even need lashes, but I shall put them on. Okay, lashes are on. I know it doesn't look like I have any lashes on, but I mean, why would I? Because normally I like drama, but I'm like, this shadow is so, like, you really have to decide, like, okay, if your shadow popping, don't put no lashes on. Please do not put any lashes on that will take away from the shadow. So, ooh, period. Okay, so because I'm going to use my NYX color palette, this is the Nudes palette. I have literally, like, anyways, I'm going to use this cream. So instead of doing how I would normally do it, lip then liner, I'm going to do liner then lip, and then I'll get onto my gloss. And I didn't take my lip oil off because I still want my lips to be nourished. This is Maison that I'm using. And then I'm going to go in with my spoolie and get this new color here. And I'm going to use my NYX 14 brush. This is literally like a lip applicator brush. Like that. Get it kind of messy because I want everything to blend in. And then I'm going to go in with my candy, the Candy Slick. Y'all, this thing is so, like, it's not that old, but, like, I got the products, you know, I got the products. But anyways, this color is in sugar coated, and I'm going to just put that over top of it. And it's going to dry matte. It's so pretty. Matte finish spray. Sweet cheek blush. Highlight for my health. And here's the look. Thanks, NYX.